Yes. My name is Akosua, and I am thrilled to be here tonight. I mean, how often do you get a chance to be with the founders of a product and then ask them questions and quiz them and everything? So, quantum lifestyle is an answer to my prayers, I guess, or it basically followed and it came to me as very important on my path because I was leading that way. I was already believing in quantum energy. I was also going back to my ancestors using plant medicine to heal people and to give people baths that would help them with their energy. So this was totally on my path. And when I learned about quantum lifestyle, it just instantly made sense to me how I can help people, raise their energy, heal them, not heal them, but bring them a tool to help them have a better life. It was also very important to me as a native of Guadeloupe, where we have so many painful ancestral memories. And these ancestral memories are keeping us locked in a lot of time very low energy because we're trying to find who we are. We're trying to define ourselves from France and the past of slavery. And we needed to raise our vibration. We need to raise our vibration. And using quantum lifestyle, the card and the holograms, these are tools that can help us do that. And so I got one for myself, I got one for my mom, and anybody I can talk to, I talk to them about the card and how it can help them raise their energy and raise their vibration. Personally, as a college professor, as a writer, and a lot of other things that I do, I know I can use holograms to help me when I need to raise my energy, if I have to write very late. Any pain that I have, I tend to have some back pain because I'm sitting all the time. So I just put the hologram on, and within a few minutes, the pain is gone. And it's one thing to feel that, but it's one thing to see it on somebody else when you say, hey, but try that. You say you have a pain right here, put that on. And then we're talking about a couple of minutes. And then to see the result, the instant results on these people, I find this amazing. My mom and I, we don't go anywhere without our card. As a matter of fact, it's hanging right there. I sleep with it. I do everything with my card. I don't go anywhere without it. My mom used to walk with a cane because she had a bout with diabetes and also with high blood pressure. And the card just raised her energy, made her feel better. She got more anchored, and she just got rid of her cane, and then now she just walks by herself. She's 89 years old on June 28th, and I just see her changing. So in the morning when we sit down, we drink our coffee, we put our card under the coffee, and then we drink our coffee. The card goes under my water. I don't drink any water without my card on. It's just changing my life. And I for some reason, my skin was getting really dry and almost flaky, and I was like, I don't understand. I'm not that old. What's happening to my skin? But lately, I'm looking at my skin. It is as smooth as a baby's skin. I'm like, I look at myself. I'm like, really? Is this what's happening? I mean, quantum lifestyle has changed my life, and I think it can change your life as well. Just come on board with us. It's a beautiful life. Thank you.